While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. Now, we're about to check out BINI. No! Sorry, it played when I didn't want to see it yet. Hey, be like that. BINI, Cherry on Top. I heard great things about this, or at least my friends liked it. Like, the people that put me onto BINI, they're like, bro, you need to check this out. And you know what? Might as well. So, without further ado, let's check out BINI, Cherry on Top. This is a Filipina girl group, Filipina sensation girl group. I haven't chose my bias. I think I like Stacy because based on like all her meow is what got me. Like when she meowed, I don't know. Do you know what I'm talking about? Okay. Meow. Oh Lord. Meow. Meow. I didn't expect that. Is Stacy the bias? Meow. Yep. Meow. Amazing. 10 out of 10. It's an all English song too? Oh shit. Let's freaking go. Alright. Without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. BINI, Cherry on Top. Oh, it's very upbeat already. Oh, is that Pandesal? What is that? Okay, Miss Man with the birds. Oh, okay, she's slaying. My present is my wait, excuse me? My present is my presence? Is that what you said? My presence is a present. My presence is a present. Talking French should keep you guessing. Oh, she's slaying here too. Who is this? Wait, hold up. It's not like the first time I checked them out too. Oh shit. Excuse my language. Okay. I'm the cherry on top. I'm the one that is that a cherry stem? Yes, it is. I can't deny. Hey. So this is a full English song. Let's go. BINI does. That's who it be. Sorry. Oh, they are slaying off the bat. What the fuck? Excuse my language. Hey, BINI, mahal kita. Oh, she came out the box. Oh, they really be sharp on that ish, bro. Like the choreo just on point. Oh, her hair is cute. I like that. It spells cherry. Why did I have to? It's okay. English is my first language, but I still don't know it. Hey, really? BINI might be that group. Sticky, sweet, frosty as I can be. Okay. Damn, wait, they be slaying. What the hell? Oh. Good ingredients are hard to find. That was a mother effing vibe, yo. Shout out to BINI, bro. Cherry on Top. Off the bat, like when it went to the chorus, I already knew I was already done. I was like, oh, okay, this is it. Everybody falling in love with BINI. I can't stop smiling. What the fuck? They got you, Dre. Damn, I have to. That's what I'm saying. They got me. Okay. So I know I've been listening to BINI here and there, but this one right here, that cherry on top vibe. Okay, Miss Man, let's go, BINI. Hey, yo, put a comment down below what you guys think about BINI. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Yes, you know I be reacting to K-pop. I react to everything, like whether it be Filipino pop, Indonesian pop. Give me anything. Give me everything, bro. J-pop, they be popping off. Let me add them. Also, in the comments, put in the comments down below who's your bias, if you have a bias from BINI. I still don't know. I'm still not sure. I just like them as a team, as a group. But all right, y'all. Till next time, everybody. If you're seeing this on YouTube, I am filming this on Twitch. If you see this on YouTube, say what's up. And yeah, till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.